Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to Dr. Siti Arpa and my fellow friends. I am Adilah Fasihah binti Ahmad from CS 2554A, and right now I'm going to demonstrate on how to illustrate the server authentication, group and user management using Windows Server 2019. Okay, let's get started. Alright, I'm using Oracle VM VirtualBox to install the Ubuntu server and also the Windows server. So let's go to the Windows server. I'm using Windows Server 2019. First, it from you to use the password. After you have logged in, so it will show the server manager. You can see there is 3 roles, 1 server group and 1 server in the total. First thing first, you go to the top right and click on the tools and find the Active Directory users and computer. Then you will see all of the files in this computer. Click on cats.local, then go to the file here and right click on your mouse and click on new. After click on new, you need to find the organizational unit. Click on it and give a name for the file. Let's say I want to write it as UITM, and then click on OK. There you go. There are UITM folder in the cats.local. So in the UITM folder, you need to right click it, select new again and select group. So it will display the group for user. So let's say I want to put the classmates name as classmate only, and then leave it like this. Okay, and then there is the classmate group. Okay, we need to create a user. Let's say right click and click on new and then click on user. Let's say the first user is my name Adilah, last name Fasihah. Okay, user login name, let's say Adilah, and click on next. Password, create a password for user 1, user Adilah. So it is confirm password. Alright, so leave it like this, then click on next. Full name, the user must change the password at next log on. Okay, click on finish. Alright, there it is, Adilah Fasihah as the user. Let's say we want to create another user. First name is Ali, last name is Ali Abu, user login name is Ali. Next, password for Ali, confirm, next, and then finish. Alright, so in this file it consists of 2 users. So let's say you want to group the user in the classmate group. So right click on it and click add to group. So what is the name of the group that we create? Classmate. Okay, you need to write the classmate and then click on the check name. If the classmate is in this file, it will show an underline. So there you go. Okay, the add to group operation was successfully completed. Okay, and then go to the classmate group. There are Ali Abu members. Okay, if you want to move Adilah in the same group, also can. You right click on the Adilah, add to group, and enter the group name. Check the name, and then there you go. Okay, alright, and then there you go. There are 2 members of the classmate. So that's it for the Windows Server 2019 configuration. Okay, let's move on to the Linux demonstration on how to configure Linux LDAP. So first thing first, you need to install the LDAP server by typing this command. Then you put the password. It's already installed. And then you need to reconfigure this kind of LDAP. So you put this command sudo dpkg reconfigure /t. Okay, click no, enter the domain name, which is mine is practice.net. You can change it to whatever you want, like this. Click OK. Organization name you can change also. I choose practice. OK. Administrator password, you need to input the password for your LDAP. After you input the command to run the LDAP, it will prompt you to enter the password. So this is the password that you must remember. Okay, so input the password. If you want to know whether your LDAP server has already been installed in this Ubuntu, you need to input this command sudo etc ldap/d.d. So click on enter. If it output like this, it means that your installation has been complete. Okay, let's create the first file, which is add content file. Sudo vi add content. But in here, I have already done the content. You must input the content, which contains the group, the employee as the first group, second is group, and third is developer. So you must input the user ID, surname, given name, and this kind of thing. And then if you want to exit the VI editor, you must click on escape and double colon and then W key. So it will exit and save your configuration. If you want to run this LDIF file, so you must input this command. It is ldap add -x-t and then click on enter. It prompts you to enter the LDAP password. It is the password that you have created before this. It is. Alright, so it shows here that it is adding the new entry. Next, this is LDAP search command that will output your file content. Okay, there it is. Okay, that is all for the Linux server. Thank you so much.